Hello everyone, my name is Bobby. Today I'm making this video just to explain what iEngineering Group does. So it is a very brief introduction. In past, many people have asked us what we do, and I thought this video will be good enough to explain briefly what we do. So let's have a look. All right, so this page here, we are looking at the contents. Pretty much I'll look at the overview, company overview, and then talk about some of our engineering solutions. We have smart engineering solutions, and talk about some quiz competitions that we run in our company for students, and also some webinars for our clients. Company basically started, I guess, about 8 years ago, and pretty much started with software, engineering software, and then slowly we sort of with design work, and then we expanded into industrial hardware product. As the company grew over the last 8 years, the demand from our client was to provide some industrial solutions, like actually hardware. I mean, only doing design or providing software solution was not enough, and slowly we started providing the hardware product, where we get involved not only just to design it, but we also manufacture and supply. We are located in 3 countries, head office being in Australia, in Sydney, and then we got 2 offices in India, in Chennai and Pune, and we got 1 office in Fiji. So we also have got some sales reps in various other parts of Pacific Islands, but the main offices are in these 3 countries. So in Australia, it's known as iEngineering Australia. In Fiji, it's called iEngineering Fiji, and in India, it's iEngineering India. So all of them put together, we have named them as a group. Okay, what we basically do is various engineering software we have. We also got asset maintenance software. So we do supply our clients with software. We not only supply, we install, we train, and we look after them. Of course, we then do engineering studies in terms of design. So with utilities in Australia, we work with them. We work with our clients to provide them power. We help them, our clients, to connect to the network, high voltage network, and we are an ESP level 3 designers. So we can work there. We can do power system studies. We can do earthing studies and many other studies. Other than that, as mentioned, we also are now doing hardware work, which is industrial hardware. If a client needs, for example, supply a electrical panel, we can do that. We design it, we manufacture it, and we get it delivered to site. We also can supply generators, transformers, and various other switchgear products, even RMUs and transportable switch rooms. And recently we have started working on electrical vehicle or EV chargers also. We have some of the industrial plants also, for example, rice mills, some steel mill stuff, and we also provide these plants to our clients. In this slide here, you can see some pictures taken in past, where we can see our staff is working here, and having some functions and some project work getting done. Organization chart, we have got pretty much a very simple organization chart, because we are a small business, and obviously we have got the MD there, and we got general managers for technical and non-technical, and in each section in the technical area we have got industrial products, and then we got software, and then we got R&D area, and then we also have got engineering design. Okay, on the non-technical area, obviously we have got IT, accounts, HR, and SQE. As I mentioned, we have got various smart engineering solution. When I say that, smart means they're quite full of new innovative features, and we try and bring this through from our partner, or we ourselves put two important technologies or innovations together and provide a better solution to our client. Okay, we are working in various, in every sector, whether it is software or whether it's hardware. So in this slide, I can see we've got engineering solutions, as we say, and designs, panels and hardwares, and industrial plants and machineries. Okay. On the right side here, we briefly talk about some of the software products we have. We have got a product called Naplin, which is doing our power system and network analysis. It's one of the best in the world. It's the first to go on the browser network, like it works from cloud 360, let's say, and it has got all the functions. It can do anything from IC to DC, high voltage to low voltage calculations. Also, we got substation design suite. Okay, now this product basically is used for designing substations, whether you want to do primary design or secondary design. IUD is automated utility design, especially for the utilities, where they can program their design so that it follows their standards, whatever the standards are. So it's pretty cool. Access Lab, a very popular software. It is to do with earthing, lightning, EMFI studies, and we have got lots of clients in Australia, overseas, in India, various places using all over the world, pretty much using that software. Engineering by base, basically, it's what I call it's a complete solution. It's a platform, and whereby it does various other control designs and stuff we can do on it. Other than that, it can connect to any other software you may be using. So it is a platform, and it is being used by a lot of companies. NIRA is another product which is basically doing 3D power line design, and also it can do now underground designs also. It uses latest technologies of LiDAR, survey data, and you can do all the designs, calculations, tip load calculations, everything on that. Okay. Then we have got a software for asset maintenance. It's called CAL, and then it's basically a lot of people used to call them computerized maintenance management system, and new name has been called enterprise asset management. Okay, so CAL is one of the best in the world. Actually, in Europe, it's #1, and iEngineering is a authorized distributor of this product in the Asia Pacific area. Now, a little bit about what sort of engineering and design roles we do, or consulting work we do. All right, so we have got clients who come to us for automation and control side of work. Yes, we are capable of providing not only hardware, but we can also do the programming, whether it is HMI, whether it is SCADA, PLCs, and all that. We can do all those for that. Okay. Also, we do ISP level 3 design. What is that? Basically, it's a high voltage network designing with the utilities for our clients. So we will work with the utility. We are accredited to work with the utility to provide designs for our clients. It could be, for example, a client who has got 5 megawatt solar plant and they want to connect to the grid. We can do the design. Not only that, we can do power system studies, whether the client can connect or not connect to the grid. We also do earthing and lightning and EMFI studies, low frequency induction, lightning protection, earthing, making sure earthing is safe. That can be done. Pretty much most of this work that we do, we have got our in-house software which we can use to carry out the study, so that we are good at using the software, and we are able to explain it well to our clients. Power quality, energy saving, we do. Yes, we can data log and then give a report free of charge to our client, and hopefully we can help them solve the problem. Same goes with electrical safety audit. If there is a problem, we can check and we can tell what to do. Renewable energy is another thing we work with our client, and we try and provide them the best solution where they can save in electricity. Hardware and industrial plants. Pretty much most of the electrical and electronics parts we supply, electrical panels such as MCC, switchboards, ring main units, junction boxes, panels, um, combiner boxes, many things we can do there. Plants and equipments and machineries, there are various plants like rice mills, steel plants we can do. Okay. We provide lightning protection systems. Basically, if anyone needs, we can do the study and provide them the right solution for that. Renewable energy, obviously we do studies on that, and we can then offer them whether they need a wind turbine, whether they need a solar plant, whatever they need, we can do that. Okay, and we have got EV chargers already now, and battery storage solutions for our client, and we are not only just supplying EV chargers, but we install them, and we can do feasibility study about whether it can be possible to install a fast charger at our client's location. Next, I would like to say what we do. We recently introduced something called iSmart Quiz Competition. Well, what we do is here we are providing our university students only, pretty much, who are undergraduates, who hasn't finished their degree yet. They can take part on this quiz competition. I think the next one that's coming up is on Sunday, 1st of August, and this will be run by, iEngineering. We have got a iSmart quiz competition coordinator who is running this course, or let me say the competition, and whoever wins can get the trophy and plus some cash prizes. Well, we also have got some webinars that we are doing, and there are upcoming ones. There are some already done from us, and we encourage our clients or even any potential clients who can register and watch what we do. Pretty much there's a few series of webinars we're going to run, or we are running currently, pretty much explaining how we do level 3 design work and power system engineering studies, including hosting studies of electric vehicles. Next, we also going to be running some webinars about substation design and automated utility design, including engineering base, how they work, and they can help our client speed up their designing process and eliminate mistakes, pretty much. Access Lab, it will talk about earthing, how easy it is to do this design, with this software. It has got lots and lots of features and very easy to use. This webinar here, we will show how how to use Neplan and do power system studies. Okay. NIRA is another one, and it can do overhead and underground design, and we will be conducting webinars and showing this how it can help our clients. CARL, asset management software, and that will be another webinar explaining about that. And we will try and have other webinars in our hardware product, pretty much what we have in detail, and such as EV chargers, renewable energy solution, and various other supplies like transformers, generators, etc. Well, thank you very much. And if you want to know, or if you have any questions, you can always write it to me at bobby@iust.com.au, or you can go to our website, and in our website, pretty much we have all the information which I have talked about. Thank you very much.